So we're here today at Milton Keynes Center, or MK Center?
Centre MK, it was close.
Yeah, Center MK. So we're here and we're going to show you a little bit of the beautiful Christmas decorations that they have here. It's very... We wish you the merriest of Christmas, the happiest of holidays. You will see coming up, we will be celebrating a bit of Christmas and showing you Christmas in England. We'll be showing you Christmas in Canada. We'll be showing you Christmas in Japan. And we have one video that we filmed last year in Georgia that we never shared. So we have 4 countries for you this Christmas season. To show you guys downtown London, however, I don't think we're going to get the opportunity to go to Winter Wonderland this year, unfortunately.
Yeah, that might have to wait till next year, which is a bit sad. But you know, I mean, it's been really nice the last couple of days, and we're going to Egypt tomorrow, so can't complain.
But one of the challenges is trying to find swimwear here and flip-flops in England. In Canada, you know, the Christmas season comes, it's totally available everywhere because everyone travels. But anyway, enjoy the Christmas lights.
Okay, baby, we can get your tickets. I'm so excited. I'm going to see Santa.
No, sorry, you're going to Egypt instead.
Oh, okay. Really?
Look, so they get to go. Oh, there's a sleigh ride. Babe, we could go on the sleigh ride. I don't think it's just for kids. No, really. Look at it. Oh, it's so pretty.
Cheese and chili.
Cheese is trying to get away.
Yeah.
That's what happens when it's in a roll. Cheese rolls, right?
Yeah.
Get it?
Get it?
Cheese rolls away.
I got it.
Okay.
I'm not usually that quick, but you know.
Wow, look at it. It's so pretty. Oh, it's VR. It's virtual reality. Look. Get out of here. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, that's so neat. It's virtual reality, babe.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
Oh, and here's the train. Oh, here's it coming. Chugga, 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 choo. So that one there is a virtual reality. Choo, choo. Oh, that's so cute. Hi. Okay guys, so this is the kids section and that was really cool. They have like a virtual sleigh ride or something. It's so awesome. And then there's the rides here for the kids. It's so beautiful.
They've done an amazing job. Did you say Ferris wheel again?
No, I said carousel.
Oh, you did it right this time. Yes. Yeah.
So there is a carousel.
Yes.
The one thing with me is that I always, instead of saying what do you call it, Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
I always say Ferris wheel when it's a carousel. There is a Ferris wheel or a merry-go-round over there. Oh, look
It's pretty. Yeah, there you go.
Is it truly Christmas if you don't have babies?
That's true. I see what you did there. Is it truly Christmas?
Huh?
Yeah, you're right. It's not really truly Christmas without Baileys.
Are you zoomed out? Like, are you back out?
Yeah.
You're not right on my face.
No. I'm on your ass.
I got to edit it now.
Okay. I have a pulled lamb shoulder shepherd's pie.
You have a what now?
Pulled lamb shoulder shepherd's pie. So it says.
And I have pork belly and cabbage salad and carrots and vegetables. Thank you guys for joining us the last year and a half. We're about to embark in Jen and Leon Travel Part 2. So
Yes.
hopefully you will see a dramatic change in this channel coming up.
Please do, if you did like the video, see a few subscribers on the channel. So yeah, if you're watching the video and you haven't already,
Good job, babe. That was
there you
good.
go. I suck at that. I absolutely suck